I've had this conversation I'm going to have with you with literally hundreds of entrepreneurs. I tell them how important it is to know, understand, and listen to their customers, and they walk away saying, I understand and I agree, I'll do this, and then most often, they don't. Part of the reason is because they have hundreds of things to do, and real reason is they're uncomfortable with customer interaction. This discussion will help you get through this and help you ask the right questions and gather the right customer insights. I've told you before that customer interactions are not sales pitches. They're not product validation in the traditional sense. Don't try to get the answers you need just by polling them and getting information from surveys. In this case, they're not engaged in a conversation. Understand who your customers are by really talking to them, listening for what they need and what you need to know, even if it isn't necessarily what you want to hear. At the end of this module, you're going to learn the process of conducting great customer conversations, best practices for customer conversations, how to avoid the 7 deadly sins of customer conversations, and how to document customer conversations. In preparation for this module, I hope that you've had a chance to already build a customer persona using the VBC Customer Persona Template. This is important for a couple of reasons. You'll have a rough idea of who the customer is and how you can identify them, and you'll have a list of assumptions about the potential customer segment, and you'll be able to test those. Once you've built your basic customer persona using the VBC Customer Persona Template, the next step is identifying who to talk to, which is really important to get the right insights. Next, you'll need to plan out what you need to learn from your customer and follow the Venture Basecamp tips and practices. It'll help you do these 3 key elements. Really conduct a customer conversation. Read your customer and document feedback and derive really clear insights that matter for your startup. You really need to do this. You really, really do. This will reduce that key factor that 42% of businesses fail because they missed a shot at their real target customer. Unlike those who failed, you'll fully identify, understand, and map your customer. You'll fully validate your product openly and completely. Trust me when I tell you, this will set you apart, and investors will know.